Join us for the International Day of Statistical Literacy on May 21, 2024. Remember when, as a young student, you asked, "Why do I need math and statistics? When will I ever use them outside of school?" IDSL 2024 is going to share the importance of statistical literacy, of building the tools to interpret data on your own and tell the data's story rather than only believing others' interpretations of the data. On May 21, 2024, the world will celebrate the International Day of Statistical Literacy, a groundbreaking event that brings together experts, educators, and learners from around the globe. This one-day conference, organized by the International Statistical Literacy Project, ISLP, under the esteemed umbrella of the International Association for Statistical Education, IASE, the educational arm of the International Statistical Institute, ISI, promises to be a game-changer in statistical literacy. Join us for a full day of engaging presentations, interactive workshops, thought-provoking panel discussions, and invaluable networking opportunities. But what is the statistical literacy?
So the statistical literacy is like what? It is like a key for what? For understanding. Understanding what? The data-derived word. So the word that we have now so what exactly is it? It is the ability to interpret, critically evaluate, and effectively communicate the statistical information. So it is about really what? The ability to interpret, communicate, and to critically evaluate what all the statistical information that we might have in real world. So the communication is very important. Whatever we have here as a statistics, the understanding would be what? Based on the statistical literacy. Why does it matter? Because informed decision making relies on accurate statistical information. So it's all about understanding.
Statistical literacy is about understanding statistical information, unlocking the power of data, and helping to make informed decisions. Join us for the International Day of Statistical Literacy.
Statistical literacy is about concepts or techniques involving numbers in context, typically numbers presented in the daily news. Statistical literacy studies statistics used as evidence in everyday arguments. Instead of algebra, it uses ordinary English to describe and compare counts, measures, and conditional probabilities. It focuses on reading and interpreting statistics presented in tables and graphs. It presents a new graphical technique to show how a factor is taken into account or controlled for. It requires hypothetical thinking for people to imagine how things might have been defined, measured, compared, or presented differently. It requires hypothetical and critical thinking for everyone in society based on data, daily statistics, and information.
If you are interested in this topic, you can ask for a free statistical literacy storybook. It is written in the format of a small storybook to serve the people who want to know more. This storybook is packed with colorful illustrations and engaging narratives, designed to introduce statistical concepts in a fun and accessible way. Check out the video description below on May 21st, 2024 for your free download link.
How can you improve your statistical literacy? You can join us at the International Day of Statistical Literacy 2024 conference, where experts will share insights, strategies, and best practices. Stay tuned for more information and join us in empowering yourself with statistical literacy. How to keep in touch? If you are interested in advancing your statistical literacy journey, keep in touch for updates and further information about the International Day of Statistical Literacy 2024 conference. Follow us for further news and stay connected as we pave the way for a data-literate future.